first thing I'm going to do, like always, is prime my eyelids. I'm using my favorite MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ocher. And I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid using my Sigma P84 Precision Angled brush. And then I'm going to set it using a little bit of powder, just to make sure that the eyeshadow primer is locked in place. Now I'm going to apply some shadow guards, just because this makes it way more easier to get that sharp edge. Now the first shade I'm going in with is this white one from Makeupgeek called White Lies. I'm going to press this right underneath the highest point of my eyebrow using a MAC 242 brush. Now I'm going in with this shade by Makeupgeek, which is called Confection. And this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to blend it all over my crease using this Sigma E40 brush. Then for my next shade I'm going to use this one. I'm only going to use Makeupgeek eyeshadows, by the way. And this one is called Carnival. I'm going to blend this in my crease as well, but I'm going to focus like a little bit lower. And the brush that I'm using is this one, and it's by Morphe in the number M330. Now I'm going in with this shade, which is called Fashion Addict, and I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush to press this like right in my outer V area, and then blending it up more upwards. And then again, I'm going back in with that Fashion Addict eyeshadow using this MAC 242 brush. And I'm going to press this shade all over the eyelid. Now I'm going to take the shade Curfew just to kind of darken up my outer V area. So I just applied the eyeshadows, and I feel like because I used a lot of matte shades on top of each other that it doesn't really pack on really nicely. You can still see like it's just not looking the way I want it to be. So I think to kind of fix this, I'm going to use a shimmery shade and I'm going to apply it just right on top of it. So I'm taking the shade Hot Pants and I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. And I wanted to keep this eye look matte, but I just applied it on this eye and I think it looks pretty good. So it might look even better than only using matte shades. So I'm happy that I'm going in with this shade. And oh my god, this shade is so pretty. It has like a sort of holographic reflex or something. I think it's a very unique color. Now for my gel eyeliner, I'm going to use my Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. And I'm going to use this tiny brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The name is Faded Away, but I believe this is a number 3 brush. Now I'm going in with this shade from Makeupgeek, which is called Corrupt. This is a matte black shade. And I'm going to use this Sigma brush, which is a flat definer. And I'm going to use this to apply this underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm going back in with the Fashion Addict eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this to blend out that black eyeshadow.
A new friendship blossomed.
I just kind of like him as a person. He seems really down to earth, and I've been...
Now I'm going to use this Hot Pants eyeshadow again using a Sigma E30 brush. I'm going to apply this underneath the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Whimsical and I'm going to apply this in my inner corner area. Now for my one line I'm going to use this purple pencil from Marc Jacobs in the shade Mist Me. The lashes that I use are my Attitude Impulsely lashes, and for my mascara I use the TheBalm Cosmetics Scuba mascara. And then here you have the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For today's video I really wanted to do something more soft and easy, and I know you guys really like purple eye looks. Also, I know this is not like a full face video, but I have a quite busy schedule today and I really wanted to film something for you all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!